Descartes had put forward the theory that there is a soul. There's a soul that's immaterial, that maybe resides in the brain, maybe in the pineal gland. That theory was called the Cartesian theater, the little man, the homunculus, that there's this little man inside us, the soul, that's watching this giant play of life, making decisions. What do you think of this theory? Do we have a soul? Is it independent of the body? Or is it completely woo?
Completely woo.
Okay.
And define soul. So I lose my soul and I lose my mind every night. It's called sleep.
Right.
So does the soul leave my body every day or not? And that's the same kind of thing that, okay, what is the difference between me losing my agency because I'm in sleep or I lose my agency because I'm dead?
Yeah.
And we can discuss about this as much as you want, but I don't think we will get smarter because unless there is a grounding that is somehow based on something that gives rise to that, then there is no way to do science. If you assume that there is a soul without the brain, that's complicated. Now, if you are talking about something else, that is the soul, is the mind, is the knowledge that I have is in my brain.
Yeah.
Or my knowledge, my consciousness is a reflection of my brain from interacting with your brain or interacting with many other brains. That's a different type of thing. So indeed, the knowledge of my knowledge is not in my brain, and it's not only there, it is the thing that I learned through interacting with others. How would I know that blue is blue? How would I know anything about the world that I have a hypothesis about unless it is verified by others? Our knowledge is, that's another super interesting thing about humans, is that we developed a huge discrepancy between species knowledge and individual knowledge. A dog, small, large, Australia or United States, knows pretty much the same tricks, give or take. And the species knowledge is not very different. We, on the other hand, in a horrible situation that we know there is the internet, there is access to everything, but nevertheless, my access to it and my fraction, my share of this is decreasing every minute.
Mm-hmm.
So where is the knowledge? If you can call it the soul or whatever complication, it's not in my brain, but it's the brain of the humankind. That's a very difficult concept.
Yeah, concept popularly known as panpsychism, I believe.
But panpsychism is a little bit more. So, yeah. so that's an interesting thing that the panpsychism, when I went to Agra, India, and then there is a panpsychism group, they think that consciousness is in the universe. It's everything. It's not only...
And your brain is a projection of that bigger consciousness.
Yeah, but for me, it's this restricted version that, I know myself in light of your eyes.